Welcome. If you want to turn on and customize always on display in your NOKIA XR20, at first we have to simply open Google Play Store. Next we have to tap on the search pool and type Muviz Edge. We have to use this application. With this application we are able to set up and customize this great always in display feature. So let's make it simply like that. As you can see right now, we are able to open this application. Grant permission, so click on the record audio. Then second one. From this screen we have to choose Muviz application. It's right here. Click on the switcher, go back, tap on this overlay mode and click to get started. Right now we have to click on the A of the screens, and as you can see there's few always in display themes that we can use. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can set up, for example, this one, or maybe this one. So click apply to get it on your screen, and when you tap on this right upper corner icon, you can also customize this feature. So we can check, we can pick show on the screen. We can go always, we can change screen timeout, brightness level, close after double tap or single tap. We can also close it after using fingerprint sensor. We can show notifications, so tap on the switcher from this next screen. We have to tap on the switcher. We can also show music control, show date, and also show battery status. Right now take a look when I'm going to lock this smartphone. As you can see, always in display is on our screen. When we are going to when we are going to tap once on the screen, we are going to turn off this option and we'll be able to use our smartphone. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.